Good morning students, Standard 10, Social Science, Civics, Unit 1, 2, 3 and 4. Objectives Revision. Unit 1, Indian Constitution. Book back exercise, first Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First question, which of the following sequences is right regarding the preamble? Here 4 options are given. D option is correct answer. Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. Second one question, how many times has the preamble to the Constitution of India amended? A option is correct, once. And third question, a foreigner can acquire Indian citizenship through, C option is correct, naturalization. And fourth one, find the odd one out. C option is correct, right to property. Fifth one of the following is not an instance of an exercise of a fundamental right. Here 4 option is given. D option is the correct answer. Here parents' property is inherited by their children. Sixth one, which one of the following rights was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Answer is C option, right to constitutional remedies. And seventh one, how can the fundamental rights be suspended? C option, if the president orders it during the national emergency. And eighth one, we borrowed the fundamental duties from the Russian Constitution. C option is correct. And ninth one, under which article financial emergency can be proclaimed? C option, Article 360. 10th question, which of the following committees or commissions made recommendations about the center-state relations? Sarkaria Commission, Rajmannar Committee, M.N. Venkatachalaya Commission. Select the correct answer from the quotes given below. Here 1 A, B, C, D. Quotes are given. Here B option is correct. Sarkaria Commission and Rajmannar Committee. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, the concept of constitution first originated in USA, United States of America. Second one, Dash was elected as the temporary president of Constituent Assembly, Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. Third one, the Constitution of India was adopted on November 26, 1949. Fourth one, Dash writs are mentioned in Article 32. 5 writs are mentioned. Then fifth one, fundamental duties have been given to the citizen of India under Article 51A. Third Roman letter, match the following. First one, Citizenship Act 1955, the preamble, Jawaharlal Nehru, and the mini constitution, 42nd amendment, classical language, Tamil, national emergency, 1962. Unit 2, central government. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, the constitutional head of the union is the president. A option is correct. Second one, who among the following decides whether a bill is a money bill or not? 4 option is given. D option is correct. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Third one, the Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. And fourth one, what is minimum age laid down for the candidate to seek election to the Lok Sabha? 25 years. C option is correct. Fifth one, the authority to alter the boundaries of state in India rests with Parliament. Sixth question, under which article the President is vested with the power to proclaim financial emergency? B option, Article 360. Seventh one, The Chief Justice and other judges of the Supreme Court are appointed by the President. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, dash bill cannot be introduced in the Parliament without President's approval. Money bill. Second question, dash is the leader of the nation and chief spokesperson of the country. The Prime Minister. Third question, dash is the ex officio chairperson of the Rajya Sabha, the Vice President. Fourth one, dash has a right to speak and to take part in the proceedings of both houses of the Parliament. Attorney General. Fifth one, the Chief Justice and other judges of the Supreme Court hold the office up to the age of 65 years. Sixth one, dash is the guardian of the Constitution, the Supreme Court. Seventh one, at present the Supreme Court consists of 28 judges, including the Chief Justice. Third Roman letter, choose the correct statement. Here four statements are given. First statement, the total members of the Rajya Sabha is 250. Second statement, the 12 nominated members shall be chosen by the President from amongst persons experienced in the field of literature, science, art or social service. Third sentence, the members of the Rajya Sabha should not be less than 30 years of age. Fourth sentence, the members of the Rajya Sabha are directly elected by the people. D option is correct. First, second and third sentence are correct. First, second and third sentence are correct. And second question, here also four sentences are given. The Chief Justice and other judges of the Supreme Court hold the office up to the age of 62 years. Judiciary is the third organ of the government, and the cases involving fundamental rights come under the appellate jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. The law declared by Supreme Court is binding on all courts within the territory of India. Option A is correct. Second and fourth sentence are correct. Fourth Roman letter, Article 53, it states the executive power of President. Article 63, office of the Vice President. And Article 356, state emergency. Article 76, office of the Attorney General. And Article 352, internal emergency. Unit 3, state government. The speaker of a state is a dash. A option, head of a state. B option, head of government. C option, president's agent. D option, none of these. So your answer is D option, none of these. And third one, which among the following is not one of the powers of the governor? D option is correct, diplomatic. Fourth question, who can nominate one representative of the Anglo-Indian community to the State Legislative Assembly? Answer B option, the governor. Fifth one, the governor does not appoint judges of the High Court. D option is correct. And sixth one, the State Council of Ministers is headed by the Chief Minister. A option is correct. And seventh one, the minimum age for the membership of the Legislative Council is 30 years. C option is correct. Eighth question, which one of the following states does not possess a bicameral legislature? C option is correct, Tamil Nadu. Ninth question, the High Courts of India were first started at Calcutta, Bombay and Madras. A option is correct. And 10th question, which of the following states have a common High Court? C option is correct, Punjab and Haryana. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First question, The governor of the state government surrenders his resignation to the president. Second question, members of the Legislative Assembly, MLAs, selected by the people. Third question, dash acts as a chancellor of universities in the state, the governor. Fourth question, the chairman and members of the state Public Service Commission can be removed only by the president. Third Roman letter, match the following. First question, governor. Governor is the head of the state. Second question, chief minister, head of the government. Third question, council of ministers, responsible for the assembly. Fourth one, MLC. MLC cannot vote for grants. Fifth question, armed forces, tribunals. Fourth Roman letter, choose the correct statement. Assertion, there are limitations on the legislative authority of the state legislature. Reason, certain bills on the state list can be introduced in the state legislature only with the president's approval. B option is correct. A is true. Assertion is true but R is false. Reason is false. Unit 4, India's foreign policy. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First question, which minister plays a vital role in molding foreign policy of our country? C option is correct. External Affairs Minister. Second question, the Panchashil Treaty has been signed between India and China. C option. And third one, which article of Indian Constitution directs to adopt foreign policy? Option B, Article 51. Fourth one, apartheid is a policy of racial discrimination. C option. And fifth one, the agreement signed by India and China in 1954 related to the 5 principles of coexistence. D option is correct. Sixth one, which is not related to our foreign policy? Colonialism. D option. Seventh one, which of the following country is not the founder member of NAM, non-aligned movement? D option is correct. Pakistan. Eighth one, find the odd one. Social welfare, healthcare, diplomacy, domestic affairs. C option is correct. Diplomacy. The ninth one, non-alliance means A, being neutral, B, freedom to decide on issues independently, C, demilitarization, D, none of the above. Your answer is D option, none of the above. Non-alliance means not joining any military alliance. That's why this answer is none of the above. 10th one, non-military issues are A, energy security, B, water security, C, pandemics. So all the above. D option is correct, all the above. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. India conducted its first nuclear test at Pokhran. P-O-K-H-R-A-N, Pokhran. Second one, at present our foreign policy acts as a means to generate inward investment, business and technology for domestic growth and development. Your answer, inward investment, business and technology. Then third one, dash is a instrument implementing foreign policy of a state. Diplomacy. D-I-P-L-O-M-A-C-Y. Then fourth one, dash was India's policy in the face of the bipolar order of the Cold War. Non-alignment. Fifth one, our tradition and national ethos is to practice disarmament. D-I-S-A-R-M-A-M-E-N-T. Third Roman letter, consider the following statement and take the appropriate answer. First question, arrange the following in the correct chronological order and choose the correct answer from the code given below. Here chronological order, historical events. First one, Panchshir. It was signed in 1954. Then China's nuclear test. It was conducted in 1964. Third one, 20-year treaty. This is 1971. It was signed. Then fourth, first nuclear test of India, 1974. So your option is B option is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. The order it is given orderly. 1954, 1964 and 1971-74. Your option, correct option is B option is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. The order, chronological order, it is correct. Then second question, which of the following is not about NAM, non-aligned movement? 4 sentences are given. In that second sentence, it aimed to maintain national independence in foreign affairs by joining any military alliance. So, second sentence only, not about NAM. Third question, write true or false against each of the statement. First sentence, during Cold War, India tried to form a third bloc of nations in the international affairs. This sentence is true. Second sentence, the Ministry of Home Affairs is responsible for the conduct of the country's foreign relations. It is false. This sentence is false. And C, third sentence, the nuclear test at Pokhran was done under subterranean nuclear explosions project. This sentence is true. And fourth one, assertion, India aligned with Soviet Union by the Indo-Soviet Treaty on 1971. Reason, this began with a disastrous Indo-China War of 1962. C option is correct. That is A is correct and R is wrong. Assertion is correct and reason is wrong. Fifth question, assertion, India has formal diplomatic relations with most of the nations. Reason, India is the world's second most populous country. Option A is correct. A assertion is correct and R explains A. Sixth question, avoidance of military blocs was a necessity for India after political freedom because India had to redeemed from A, acute poverty, B, illiteracy, C, chaotic socio-economic conditions, D, all the above. Your answer is D option, all the above. Then fourth Roman letter, match the following. First one, Indian Ocean Island, Maldives. Second one, land bridge to Asian, Myanmar. Third one, Panchsheel, 1954. And fourth one, Afro-Asian Conference, 1955. Fifth one, World Peace, Foreign Policy.